Hi, this is Folly Mayer from somethingtooffer.com, and I am back working on a video about you're working on a roundup post. Right now, I am going to show you what we've done. I went ahead and started to organize the bear themed activities, and I created some categories like teddy bear picnic activities and ideas, and put that into a H2 or heading 2. And then I have hands-on bear activities for things that kind of didn't really go with anything else, and bear activities from classic stories. One thing I always like to do when I copy and paste things from other people's websites, I want to do a quick preview, and I will show you why. Because on our screen here, it looks wonderful, but in the preview, there's a trick. So if this happens to you where things are bold, they're not really hyperlinked the way you think they should be, I'm going to show you real quick how to fix that. Click back into your post. You want to click over here on text. And then every place that you see this class equals post title entry title, we want to get rid of that. I don't mind that it has the P, which equals paragraph, but if you have the class post title entry title, it will mess up your post and it will make everything look really wonky, and you'll be scratching your head and about ready to cry, wondering what on earth did you do. And it's not your fault, it's just the HTML itself carried over from the other website. And so we're going to just quickly fix that. You see I'm highlighting that class entry title and I'm deleting that. And if you delete something extra like a bracket like I just did, you'll just want to replace it. It's not really a big deal. Just try to be careful that you don't change the HTML too much. If you're not used to messing around with HTML, be very careful because it can get really tricky quickly. I'm going to get rid of all these, and that way I know that what I see in my visual is going to be what's going to post. So let's see. I was having some spacing issues too, so I will want to go ahead and put the P's in. Let's see here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and save the draft, and then we will update our preview and see if we fixed it. Because on our visual, it's still showing that it looks all nice and neat down the page, except right here. We're going to fix that here in a second. So let's update. See if it's going to behave. Aha! So much nicer, so much cleaner. I have had this happen I don't know how many times when I forgot to check the text and the visual looked fine. I scheduled my post and then I had to go back into my post later on and it was a mess. The more links that you have, the more you have to go through. There's a spacing issue going on here. So let me see if that looks okay. Let's save that draft. Let's go back to our preview. Click refresh. And it's looking okay. But again, if you're not sure if these little guys, these links are going to stay spaced accurately, you can go back in here to your text and you can click in here. Oh, okay, actually, let's see. It got rid of all the paragraphs. I didn't do that, but it did it itself. So if you want to be sure that there's a space in here, you can copy and paste this ampersand NBSP, and that's another thing, another visual cue in the HTML to make sure that space right here is a little bit bigger. So the next post, next tutorial I will be sharing will be doing the pinnable images. So stay tuned. Thanks so much. Bye.